Hello coders, welcome to my YouTube channel. Come Code with Shrishti. Today we will solve LeetCode 3481 Apply Substitutions. Now let's get started. In this question we are given two inputs. One is a replacements dictionary which is given in the form of a list of lists and it contains key value pairs, and another is an input string text which is a string and it contains placeholders. Now, what is a placeholder? It starts and ends with percentage and contains keys from the replacements dictionary. And the task we have to perform is to replace the key with the corresponding value from the replacements dictionary and return the generated string as output. So, if we look at this example 1, we have the input string text which contains two placeholders A and B. We replace A with its corresponding value ABC. We replace B with its value DEF and we return ABC underscore DEF as output. Till here the question is quite simple. However, there is a twist. The twist is that the replacement values themselves can contain one or more placeholders. What this means is we can't just do simple string substitution, because in the output we have to ensure that the string which we return does not contain any placeholders. If we look at example 2, we can see that A, B, C are the three placeholders we have in this input. We replace A with its value BCE. We replace B with its value ACE. But in C, we can't just replace it directly with its value ABC percentage B percentage because it will have a placeholder. We have to further replace B with its corresponding value. And when we do that, we get the corresponding output string as BCE underscore AC underscore ABC ACE. So because of this constraint, the simple string substitution will not work, and we have to use a programming technique which is recursion. Why recursion? Because we can keep replacing the string with its value such till the point we reach a base case where there are no placeholders. So now let us look at the code for this question. So if we look at the code, we first form the dictionary which is based on the input replacements list we have. So we traverse the replacements list and we store the key and value in the dictionary. Then we enter the recursion loop. This can be done through a while loop as in this question, or we can have a function call. Both are equally good. The only advantage the while loop gives is like we won't have the recursive stack trace, and so the time and the space the recursive call will take will be lesser if we use the while loop. But output wise or the acceptance wise, both are similar. In line 7, we continue the while loop till we reach a point where we have no placeholders further in the string. If we have a placeholder value, which we know that if there is a percentage in the input, so we split the input by percentages and we traverse over each split. And if the split is a key in the dictionary, we append it in the list which we are generating in line 9, or else if it's not a key, then we append it as it is. So this will handle the case where we have placeholder, we have underscores, so these would not be keys, and we then we join the input text list and return it. Once after we exit from the while loop, we know that there are no further placeholders and we return the output string as text. An important point to note for Python coders is that we don't append values directly in the string. Instead, we use lists because in Python, string manipulation is O of n time complexity. So using lists here, we can save on the time and time complexity. We can reduce the time complexity by storing the intermediate output in lists. As lists are mutable, so the appending in a list is O of 1, and in the end we can join and return the text list. So this is the code. Let us now see, run it and submit it. So the test case is passed, and our final solution also passed with time complexity of 6 milliseconds. So that's all for today, coders. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Come Code with Shrishti. Thank you.